Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yancy. If you're new here, hey, I'm on a journey to become debt free. So if you're new here and would love to follow my journey, please go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, give me a thumbs up. I want to say a huge shout out to everyone that is new here. We are at 892 subscribers. Yay, we are on the gold to get 1,000 subscribers before this year ends. We will see if we meet that goal. If not, we will see how close we get to that goal. Today I'm going to be cash stuffing my saving challenges. Those saving challenges do go towards my debt. So let's see how much I have. I do have an envelope there that is for my birthday. Of course, that's for me, my birthday, not my debt. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. All right. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Wow, this is the most I think I've ever cashed off. 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. 189. Let me double check. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Wow. Yeah, it is correct. All right, awesome. That's amazing. So I told you guys last time when I left off my binder. By the way, happy Tuesday. I hope you guys are doing good. It is raining over here, which we haven't really had much rain here in Alabama for the longest. So last time I spoke with you guys, I'm left off here. I am shipping out my last giveaway today, you guys. Oh my gosh, I've been so busy, trust me. I know I say that all the time, but you know, I'm always working, so there is that. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and do $15 for this Easter. I will do this for Easter day to buy anything for the little guys. I have 2 boys if you're new here. So yeah. All right, so 15 bucks for that. And today is Tuesday, so we're gonna be going to Eric's school. We're going to be eating Thanksgiving food. They're doing a feast at school today, so we're excited for that. We've been trying to go every year. He's in 2nd grade, so you know, we try not to miss it. So that's exciting. I love eating Thanksgiving food. I like the sides. I'm not usually a ham or turkey person, but I like eating the sides a lot. All right. Then on this one, we're gonna go ahead and do, let's do a 10. I know I'm going a little bit of everywhere. I'm everywhere, okay? So don't mind. I'm gonna do a 10 here. This one will save me $200. So that's a good amount. All right, so we're doing a 10 on that one. All right, are you guys doing anything fun or exciting for this coming week? Let me know. I'm gonna put this here and look, reduced. Reduce that money. Okay. All right, awesome. All right, here we go. There's that. Then Valentine's will be getting $8. This is gonna be for Valentine's gift. I am doing a little bit of saying challenges for other events if you guys have not noticed, because you know I have to get ahead of the game. 5, 6, 7, and 8. So that's why you see some of them that are like that. All right, let's see. Okay, maybe I can condense. Yeah, let's do that. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look, that's gonna work. Because, you know, I'm sure I'm gonna need some 1s later on, or 5s. You never know, right? Condense while we go. Okay, awesome. Let's try to do this video faster, okay? All right, now we're gonna scratch off this one. This one right here will save me $100. Let's see how much. Oh, yay! See, I told you guys we needed some dollars. It's amazing. All right, $4. Definitely very, very low. I'm sure there's someone. I mean, there's some up there that's more than $4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome, you guys. We officially started we officially have started, I should say, bringing out our Christmas decoration. Last night we went in the attic and started bringing them out, so we're gonna be decorating for sure this week already, so I'm excited for that. This one will save me also $100. Wow, this one is just a 3. Okay, what's going on? Why am I getting the smallest? Today that I have money, I'm getting the smallest, and when I don't have money, I'll be getting the biggest. What's going on? Come on, what's going on? All right, awesome. Okay, next is gonna be the Halloween one. All right, this one, let's see. It's a ghost scratcher. A sticker, I should say. Ooh, $9, yay. All right, awesome. This one will save me, I'm not sure, it's a mystery. It's a mystery. I would not use this for Halloween. It's cute. I wanted to buy it because, you know, it's cute. All right, so $9 not 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Look at that. Perfect. All right. Let's see. I may have to condense now some ones because look at that. Oh my goodness. Let's hope not. All right, here it's another one for $50. Let's see. Okay, that's gonna be a 2. All right, let's scratch off another one. 2, because I don't have $2. So let's see. Let's do this one. Oh, 5. That's $7. Okay, let's do one more. That's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, awesome. $10. Oh my gosh. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, great. $10, you guys. Yay, we're getting closer in that one. Okay. That one worked out good. All right, here we go. Okay, next is this one right here. All right, here we go. Please be an even number. $15. Okay. I can change that. Let me see. Can I? No, it's changed. Oh, no. Okay, let me do one more. Okay, so 15. Oh, man. Okay. I'm going to have to change some money, so well. That's $26. Okay, let me change some money and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I made some changes. Oh my goodness. All right, here we go. All right, so we had 10, 20, 25, 26. So $26 on that one. Okay, awesome sauce. And this one will save me $100. Okay, great. So 20, 30, 35. All right, here we go. Okay, so if you're watching here, leave me a feather. No, leave me. You don't have to comment anything else. Leave me a leaf emoji or anything like that, so you can enter for some saving challenges. Just as a little thank you for watching and helping me on my watch hour, on my goal of reaching 1,000 subscribers. Just let me know, okay? All right, we're gonna go ahead and do the 10 on this one. This one will save, I'm not sure how much, but we'll find out later on. All right, so $10 on this one. I just got that one, I believe, from Taylor. She gifted me this one. Taylor, a little bit of all. All right, next. This one I'm excited. I'm almost done with this one. This one, let's do 18. All right, 18. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. All right, awesome. I'm getting close on this one. I'm ready for this one to be over, I'll be honest with you, because it's a lot of money up in here. All right, awesome. You guys, I'm so excited for decorating for Christmas because I have a little section that I'm going to do for me, myself, and I only. It's not traditional colors, so, you know, I'm excited for that. We're going to go ahead and do birthday. I will stuff $30 on my birthday. because, you know, birthday comes very fast. I don't know what I'm gonna buy. I told Alex I want to buy myself an iPod. Remember, I've been saying that for the longest. iPod, like the tablet, okay? And he told me, do you really want it? I'm like, yes, I do. He's like, okay, you know what? I'm gonna just give it to you for Christmas. And I'm like, okay. I'm like, perfect, great. I'm like, that works. It's been a minute, so I'm like, come on now. I'm like, I've been wanting for the longest, and I'm like, no one gives it to me, so, you know. So I was saving for that, because I wasn't sure if I wanted it or not, but I do want it. I do want it. All right, awesome. So there's that. Next, we're going to do this one right here. This is Color Me Christmas. And on this one, let's do... Oh, fine. I don't have that much money. Okay. I really don't have that much money. But let's do the 10. Let's do the 10. On that one, I'm going to use the 5s. I'm going to use the 5s. Because I don't want to split the 10 just in case if I don't have to. Alright, there's that. Okay, we're very low now on money. We're low on money now. Alright, next. We're doing this one right here from Taylor. Alright, let's see which is like. Okay, that's $7. I don't have, but I'll probably change. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see, hold on. Yeah, I'm gonna change. So 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm gonna put $3 here and get this 10. There we go. All right. I don't want to have an IOU, guys. I really don't. I really do not want to have an IOU. Okay. I'm not professional at putting this. I'm telling you guys, I'm not. And when Fancy Dollar does it, I don't know how. So fast, so quick. Okay. This one, we have only 2 left. That's $8. So I'm going to complete that. Screw it. Let's complete that bad boy up. So we can put that towards our debt. All right, here we go. So there's that. Here's that. Ta-da-dan, ta-da-dan, ta-da-dan. So $8. Yay. Woohoo. Awesome. Challenge completed. Okay, this makes me happy. Oh my gosh. Finally. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna condense this if I can. I believe I can. All right, let's see. All right, let's see, guys. So 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, $48. $48 on this challenge. Yay! Let me condense though. Let's do 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right. There we go. So 45, 46%, $48 on this challenge. Awesome. I don't have a challenge near me, so I will not be adding it there, but I will eventually. All right, next. We have one left. Oh my gosh, so we're going to complete 2 challenges. $2. $2. Yes. Woohoo! Oh my goodness. Let's see how much money I saved on this one. Oh, that's exciting. I didn't think I was going to complete 2. I'll be honest with you. All right, here we go. 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. $50, you guys. Yes. Oh my goodness. Awesome. Awesome. Yay. Okay. Awesome. Next. We have a Happy Meal fund. This is going to be used for next year. I don't know for what, but I will use it for next year for something crazy. I don't know what, but for sure I will. All right, $5. So I might add this $5 there. Let me condense that. All right, awesome. So I have 15 bucks in here already. That works. Yay. Okay, and let's see how much money I have left. Not sure. I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I have 14 left. So I cannot do this one, I don't think. No. No, I cannot do that one. I mean, I can do a 5. How about that? Let's do a 5. Okay, let's do a 5 on this one. I can't remember how much I saved on this one, be honest with you. But I know it's more than $100, so that one's good. All right, 5 on that. I'm getting close, guys. I'm getting close. We're almost there. Okay. Almost there. All right. I feel like this video's long. Sorry. All right. Let's do this one. This one will save me $50. Okay, that's a 2. I know I have a 2. So, 2 on that. Let's do here. That's 4. That's $6. Should I do all of it? 5. Okay, that's 6. I need 3 more. 3 more. Let's see how much this one will be. Ah, bummer. It's a 7. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. $13. So I have an IOU. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So $4 I owe you, right? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep, 9. Okay. That's okay. Oh, well. It is what it is. All right, so I have an IOU now. All right, I will get my little IOU little slip. I don't know where it's at, so I have to look for it. And I'm gonna write it, and I'll be right back, okay? I could not find my IOU slip, so I created one. So an IOU of $4. Okay. Awesome. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm sure this one was the longest video I've done in a while, so I'm so sorry if I took forever. But if you enjoyed it, I really appreciate it. And yeah, all right, don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I appreciate your support, and I see you guys on the next one. Bye. Love ya.